Hey guys, welcome to Safi Mixed. In this video, I will let you know how to create dynamical interfaces in Mathematica. For example, here I have created a dynamical interface that carries the information about the plotting of different functions. In the present preview, we see the plotting of a sine function between 0 to 2 pi. If I click on this tab, I get the plot of cos function, and if I click on this one, I get the plot of tangent function, and similarly the last one gives me plot of exponential function. So in order to understand how can we create such interfaces, let me start from the plot of a general function x, and x varies from 0 to 2 pi. If I run this program, Mathematica would give me no result because the form of the function is not specified, and I want to plot the previous three functions. So what I do, I create a table and give instruction to Mathematica to replace the f with these functions sine and cos. And if I run this function now, I get a list of two functions. One corresponds to sine and the other corresponds to cos. So I add the other two functions as well, tan and exponent. And if I run the function now, I get a list of four functions. One corresponds to sine, the other corresponds to cos, tangent, and exponent respectively. However, this way, if I drag down the page and show only the plots, one may not be able to recognize which plot corresponds to which function. Therefore, I want to add additional information to Mathematica so that it recognizes the function easily, and that I can do by adding a command like tradition form, and inside the argument I write the function f of x, and then tell Mathematica to show me the tradition form of the function if I run the function. Now Mathematica writes with every plot the corresponding function. For example, it tells that this plot corresponds to sine function, this plot corresponds to cos function, this one corresponds to tangent function, and this one corresponds to exponential of x. Now I want to put this list of the function and plots into table preview like the one we see over here, and that I can do very easily by adding a command tab view and enclosing the whole of it inside the argument of this. And if I run it now, I get the corresponding interface. Now you see Mathematica shows me tabs where each tab carries the information of the corresponding plot. If I click on cos, I'll get this function, tangent, I'll get this function, and exponent, I'll get this one function. So this way you can create a dynamical interface for different plots of function in Mathematica. In the end, if you haven't subscribed to Safi Mix, kindly support the channel by pressing the like button on the video and the subscribe button to the channel. Thanks for watching.